Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we have English class. My dear student, we have read unit number 11, that is a voice judgment, in our first online class, in which you have read that once there was a farmer who roasted his goat on a spit. A poor man passed there and he was attracted by the aroma of the goat. He could not buy it, so he touched the bread to get the taste through the smoke. When he tasted it at that, the farmer became very angry at him and asked him for payment. The poor man could not pay. A crowd gathered there at that time, and they wanted to see their dispute. The mayor also arrived there with his, and the mayor also arrived there, and he settled their dispute with his brilliant judgment. He solved this matter very fairly. We have read this unit in our first class, so now we have an exercise. Exercise is A. Your page number is 55 now. Exercise A is about answer the following question. In this exercise we have 6 questions, one by one. We will discuss each answer in it. Okay. Question number 1, we have what was happening in the village. We have many answers. So the possible answers are: the farmer was selling their goods at the markets. We have another answer, that is the farmer was selling their goods, that is turkeys, ducks, chickens, eggs, goats in the markets. Another answer is the farmers were selling the following goods, such as these were ducks and goats, chickens and eggs, homemade cheeses and fresh vegetables. The farmer was selling goods like goats, chickens, eggs, ducks, homemade cheeses, and fresh vegetables. These all are the possible answers for your question number 1. Then we have question number 2, that is, why did the man not buy the meat? The man did not buy the meat because he was very poor man and he could not afford to buy meat for himself. Another answer is the man was very poor, so he could not afford to buy expensive food for himself. Another possible answer is the meat is an expensive food and the man was poor, so he could not afford to buy it for himself. The last and the possible answer is the man was very poor, so he could not afford to buy meat for himself. We have question number C, that is, how did the farmer react to the man? It is a question number 3. The farmer became angry at the man when he tasted the goat through the smoke. Another possible answer is the farmer became annoyed mean angry, at the man when he tasted the goat through the smoke without his permission. Another answer is the farmer became angry when the man tasted his goat through the smoke without paying him. Now we have question number 4, that is, what do you think of the farmer's idea? Answers are: I think the farmer's idea shows that he was a very clever and greedy man. Another answer is: I think the farmer's idea shows that he was a grabby and clever man. And another possible answer is: in my opinion, the farmer's idea shows that he was greedy and clever man. Question number 5 we have: did the mayor make a good decision? Say yes or no. And then you have to also tell why, means you have to give the reason. The answer is the mayor made a good decision because he did fair judgment for both. Another possible answer is the mayor did fair judgment for both the farmer and the man. So he made a good decision. Last question is: do you think this story is true? Say yes or no and why. It is a logical question, so there are some answers. Number 1 answer is: I think this story is true because the story shows some features of reality. means it can be happen in the reality, real life. Another answer is in light of given stories, some feature of reality can be seen. So I think it is a true story. Another answer is I think the story is true because both characters show the human's nature. These were our question answer. Now we have another exercise, that is exercise B. That is we have to tell, in it we have three parts. Number one part is true or false. The story is based in a city. Is it? No. Because it is based in a village. So it is cross. Another is statement is the poor man was greedy. He was a greedy man. No, he was not a greedy man. So it is also cross. The mayor was fair. Yes, because he did the fair judgment for both the farmer and the man. So it is true. Number C, number 3 one is true. The man paid for the bread. Did the man pay for the bread? No, he did not pay for the bread. So it is also cross. Now the second part is find the words. Number one word is townspeople. These are known as villagers. Another is smell. Smell mean aroma. These are the words which are given in the unit. Another is pieces of money. These are known as penny. Means low price. Another is argument. It means dispute. Now third part is select a word to describe the farmer. The farmer was what? He was a greedy man. So here will be the greedy man. The poor man was innocent. Another is the mayor. The mayor was a fair man. He was a wise man. He was a brilliant man. He was an intelligent man. The last is the story is interesting. The story is amazing. So your possible answers are these. Now we have another exercise, that is page number 57. Exercises A, comprehension. Find the words in the list that means the same as these in the table. Number one word is disease. Disease means bimari. Another word is consume, answer, smell, perhaps, cook, tasty, odd, cash, and stay. These are the 10 words and they have the same meaning here given below in the column. You have to match them with the proper same meaning word. Number one is aroma. So aroma can be with smell, good smell. Swallow, swallow means consume karna, eatable. Number third is delicious. Delicious means tasty and having good taste. Bake, bake means to cook something. Virus, virus is a disease. Perhaps and maybe, both are the same. For possibility of something it is used. Money, money is the cash, a kind of cash. Then is strange. Strange means odd, unknown. Next, number 9 is remain. Remain means stay. And last one is reply. Reply means to answer someone. Okay, then we have a homework. Okay, okay students, you have two homework. One is oral and one is written. Oral homework you have to read unit number 11 at home. And second is written homework. Do exercise D, page number 57 on book. This you can see in the same on your screen. Exercises storied lines. Here is the words enough, village, goat, market, taste, bread, wonderful, meal, pocket, land. Now you have to fix these words in the given story. Read the story carefully and then write the words which will help you for filling and completion of your this story. You have to do this exercise on book, dear students. You will do this exercise on book. I hope you understood all the exercises which I discussed with you, and I blessed you all to best of luck to you. Stay home, stay safe.